Dougie, what we got?
Nice, cool, awesome looking box of tops three. We're looking for Braun, LeBron, and Wemby. And it's just a cool box. Tops three coming out, new product. Oof, what a box. Ooh, goodness. Woohoo, three cards. Let's do it. What do you go, left, middle, or right first? Let's go left. One of the closest to me. Everyone's waiting in suspense. Look at these guys looking at it. Rookie, Ben Shepard. Number to 25.
He's good.
He's good. Let's go to the right one next.
He went off in the playoffs.
Who we got here? Desmond Bain to 10. Desmond Bain to 10. Not what we're looking for, but it is what it is. Middle one. Let's up McCollum. CJ McCollum, number to 49. Wow.